Take a look at printability when it comes to assignment 5 over here. First thing we'll do is print preview. You see we've got 2 pages set up. I've got my header set up nicely and my footer set up nicely. Let's see what page 2 looks like. Imagine that this page was a printout just sitting by itself. You wouldn't really have any idea what this piece is over here. And there's all this dead space sitting up in the top. Let's see if we can't fix those. First thing we're going to do is go to the View menu and change it to Page Break Preview. When I do that, I see that it's between my periods 5 and 6, between columns G and H, that I need to go ahead and insert then a new column. And when I get to that column, I'm going to highlight from NPV model down to PV. I'm going to copy and paste that over. I lost my bottom border, so I'm going to put that bottom border back on there. And then let's print it and see what that does. First page still looks great. Second page looks better. Got my row headers. I've also got this superfluous gray bar in here, but I also have all this dead space. Here's how you get around that. Let's navigate up into cell A1. Now I'm going to select all this information on the page right here. Here's the trick. I'm going to hold down Control right now. I'm going to hold down my left mouse and start clicking on H16 all the way to M23, and then I let go. Once I let go, then we're going to go to Page Layout, Print Area, Set Print Area, and notice how it made gray this dead space around it, so that when I go to Print Preview, still have my headers and footers. I've got everything that looks nice on page 1. When I get myself over to page 2, then notice that I've got my row headers here. I continue that bar. It's nestled up in the top, and there's dead space only below because there's nothing else that we need to pay attention to. It's simply the continuation of the NPV model here that continues itself over here. So those are the steps you use to make print ready many of these different sheets in assignment number 5. They can be a little tricky.